All right. Fine. Let me just try to. I'm sorry for joining late due to faculty meeting. Today, let us continue the. Let me create the running notes first, actually. Currently the running topic name is called as a object-oriented programming approach. What is the topic, sir? Object-oriented programming approach. And 26. We are good to go. I will give a revision so that I can continue. Good. So back to the session. So the very first point, Tim, let me tell you, when you're talking about the Python will support two things very clearly. Python will support how many things actually? Two things. The first one, Python will support functional programming language. Chappan sir, functional programming language. The second one, Python will support object-oriented programming language. Chappan, object-oriented programming language. I mean to say, by using both, Daniel, what is the use of both? By using both, we can create a software, and also called as we can create a application. We can create what exactly? Application. I mean to say, by using FP, what exactly? When I say FP, functional programming, and OOP actually, we can create software. Also called as a application. Also called as what exactly mean? Application. That's what you need to be understand. First point actually. First point. By using both, we can create what exactly, sir? Software and application. But let me tell you, the features are different. What exactly? Features. Whenever you're talking about functional programming language, in a functional programming language, these are all features. The first feature will be how to create a function. Create what exactly? Function. Second one will be calling a function. Call a function. Third one will be parameterized function. What exactly, sir? Parameterized function. Next one will be return keyword. These are all respectively we know. I no need to give a special introduction actually. Tim, the second one is object-oriented approach. What is the second one? Object-oriented approach. Object-oriented approach. Whenever you are talking about object-oriented approach, how the function-oriented having the principles, same thing like that object-oriented programming also having the principles, features. The first one is called as a class. What is the first one? Class. The second one is an object. The third one is a method. The next one is called as what exactly, a kind of some constructor. What exactly, sir? Constructor. These are all things we will see step by step actually. Step by step we will see. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Back to the session. The very first point. On Saturday. Saturday only, right? Not Saturday. I thought like today is the Monday. On Tuesday, I have covered a point. The point is what exactly, class. Chappan sir? Class. Class. Inside class, back to the session. Daniel, first of all, what do you mean by class? Before entering into the what do you mean by class, let me explain. Inside class, you can create three things. Inside class, you can create how many things actually? Three things. Please, very, very important. And it's very easy. Feel you have to very easy. First one, you can create a constructor. Talk with me, sir. Constructor. We are eligible. We can create a constructor. Second one, you can create a variables. Third one, you can create a method. You can create what exactly? Method. Method actual. Method. When you're talking about the constructor, constructors are two types. First one will be zero parameterized constructor. First one is a zero parameterized constructor. Second one is a parameterized constructor. Parameterized what exactly? Constructor. Variables, one type of variable is important as of for today's, for this session, instance variable. What variable? Method. One type of method is important. That method is a instance method. What method? Instance method. Come on, talk with me. Inside class, how many things we can create, madam? Three things. First one, constructor. Good. Daniel, can you talk with me? What is the purpose of everything? Can you do let me know what is the purpose of everything? So simple. The purpose for constructor is initialization purpose. What purpose? Initialization. It is also called as a create instance variable. Create what exactly? Instance variable. Instance variable actually. It is also called as like that. Now the next one will be variable. What is the next one? Variable. Variable. Rishi sir, we can talk. Now the cinema is not yet started actually. Constructor, we have a separate discussion. Variable. What is the purpose of variable? To represent the data. Chapman sir, to represent the data. To represent the data. What is the purpose of method actually? To perform an action. Chapman sir, to perform an action. An action actually. That's what you need to be understand. All right, we are good to go. Let's move on. Hope you understand. Now the definition number 1. Daniel, what do you mean by class? So Tim, we do have a different definition. First definition for class will be, class is nothing but an idea. Simple, one simple word remember actually. I'm sure this definition you never ever heard anywhere else actually. మీరు ఎక్కడ వినుండ్రు actually ఇది. But according to my view, class is nothing but what exactly? Idea. So once idea is supposed to be implemented, idea is supposed to be what exactly? Implemented. The implementation is the later, but first one is an idea. First one is what exactly? Idea. Fan creation is an idea. What exactly, sir? Fan creation is an idea. Think like you told something. What is that? Osha fan. Good. Laptop creation is an idea. And Dell laptop. What laptop actually? Dell laptop. These are all implemented actually. Now please make a note. Class means just one idea is required. Whenever you are talking about idea, for that idea it is having properties. Chappan sir. Properties. Talk with me. What exactly? Properties. Properties. And it is having actions. What do you mean by properties? You know, properties means called as a variables. Actions means methods. Actions means what exactly? Method. Conclusion of the story. Inside idea, what is required, sir? Variables required, methods required. Then you will get, you will get exactly implementation. You will get a right implementation. What implementation, sir? Right implementation. I covered these are all in a last week. But anyway, I will show example also. Am I right or not, sir? We covered actual. Go back. Please be regular. I request you. Please be regular. Python. Where are we? Object-oriented approach. I joined 10 minutes late, right? What is the discussion, you know? Every week I do have a meeting, but today it was late actually. More updates they're expecting. Simple. Management will ask us try to the question. Though I'm a trainer, I hope, you know, they will ask how the sessions are going. Talk with me, sir. How the sessions are going. Either, the sessions are fine. Do you need any updates actually? Or else, students are able to understand or not. Every week we need to submit the report, sir. During this one, if any students having any concerns, we need to talk. These are all discussion actually. Naresh IT is seriously, I like work with Naresh IT. Why? Because, this guy, this management culture, these are all really very good. They will think like, just give the best subject. Give what exactly? That's it. They don't want to expect anything actually. Do the best. I'm doing my best actually. Am I right or not, sir? Cheppana. Please. Yeah. Now, yeah, class is a model for creating an object. Class is a model for creating an object and it does not exist physically. I can still talk this one later. A class is a specification. Class is what exactly? Specification. You can also call it as an idea, plan, theory. For idea, what is required? Properties required, actions required. Properties means variables, actions means method. Yeah. Whenever you're talking about the class, you can create a constructor, properties and actions actually. We can create a class by using class keyword. What keyword? Class keyword, right? Hope you covered these are all. How to create a class, Daniel, actually, right? Inside class, constructor, variable, method. Now, brief discussion about the class actually. We can create a class by using class keyword. What keyword actually? Class keyword. I'm entering into the session. The example what I'm going to write, this is valid, but not using in real time. This one is valid example. Now let me tell you, student. Print of hello. Very good. We can write like this actually. I'm not sure either you know this one or not actually. This one is valid. But we are not using in real time. అంటే క్లాస్ క్రియేట్ చేసి దాని లోపల డైరెక్ట్గా ప్రింట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ యూ కెన్ డూ యూ కెన్ యాడ్ యాక్చువల్ దిస్ ఈస్ పాసిబుల్. Yeah, see, you will get output like what exactly no? Hello, hello. We are good to go. Take this one. This one is valid, but not using. Now the next one. We can create a class by using class keyword. We'll do one thing. The general well-known example till date, inside class, what I have created till now? Method. What I have created, sir? Method. Let us create the same thing. Class Daniel. Class what exactly? Daniel. Now let me just try to create a method. That method name is a teaching or else working or else what exactly, sir? Working. Working, and here is the self actually column symbol. I just wanted to write here lead data scientist. Lead data scientist. Good. Successfully I have created a class. What is my class name? Daniel. What is my method name? Working. Now understand the theory. Class keyword follows the name of the class. After name of the class, we should give what exactly? Column symbol. Exactly. Class keyword, name of the class, column symbol. Good. After column symbol, we need to provide indentation. What exactly? Indentation. Otherwise, we'll get a what error? Adi cheppali. Good. Class contains constructor, variable, method. The purpose for constructor is initialization purpose. The purpose for method will be representing the data, instance variable. The purpose for method will be, I'm sorry, sir. The purpose for variables will be represent the data. The purpose for method will be represent an action. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Class naming convention. Till now, many people are having a kind of some doubt. Why class name is uppercase actually? That is really good practice. Still you can give lowercase, but that is not a good practice actually. That is not what exactly? Good practice. Are you getting or not, sir? Now let me prove practically. Daniel, can you please talk with me why class name is starting with uppercase letter actually? Why it is uppercase letter, Let me show you. Let me write one small example. Let me create one small function. Function name is a Naresh. And print here you can talk like, so hello, you can talk like this actually. Now think like function having the return. Function having what exactly? Return. Return of 100. Return of what exactly? 100. Now I need your help actually. మీరు చెప్తారా ఏం చేయాలో? If a function having return statement, talk with me. Function call we need to assign into variable. Very good. Let me just try to n equals to like this actually. Yeah, good. Print of what exactly? N. Print of what exactly? N. Now run this example. Yeah, very good. Hello. These are all actually. Now what I mean to say that function plus return combo, return combination. Am I right? Chappan sir? Exactly. Let me write another example. Please understand. I just wanted to bring only this line actually. Whenever you are looking at this line, you have to think like, okay, there is a function. There is what exactly? Function. Function having return statement. That's what we are assigning into variable. Good. Hold on. Hold on actually. Move to the next example. Let us create a class Daniel. Generally, you have to give uppercase letter. But what you are giving? Lowercase. But you should not give like this actually. Trust me, you should not give. But if you have given, what is the problem? I will tell you. DEF kind of some working. Print of. Let me just try to write here. Hello. Hello actually. Hello. Team, I wanted to print working. How to print actually? This I wanted to print. How to print? D equals to Daniel. Now talk with me. D dot working. Yeah, good. We are good to go. Yeah, we got an output. Take this example. Frankly speaking, it is not a good practice actually. Why? Because we have written lowercase. We have written what exactly? Lowercase. Now, can I ask you one question? Let us bring this line. And even let us bring this line. Now, let us have a small discussion actually. Let us have what exactly? A small discussion here actually. Discussion. Now, you talk with me. Sir, what is the first line actually? Function call. What is the first line? What is the second line? Yeah. See, though in front of you, I have created a Daniel class. Imagine in front of you, I didn't created a Daniel class. Then this one also you can think like what exactly, no? Daniel, that is a function. Having the return statement in the back end. Having the return statement is what exactly? That's why you should not create. If you have created with uppercase actually, sir, immediately you think that is object creation. What creation? That separation you need to maintain actually. Now you understand. This one is a standard. Whenever you are creating a class, provide capital case actually. During code review, what review? Code review. People can understand very clearly. Daniel is the class and Naresh is what exactly? Function. Hope you understand. Chappan sir. Yeah. Lower case. Highly recommended actually. Today you understand why starting with uppercase actually. Because during the code review, you will get a confusion actually. Somebody asking question. Yeah, Chappan, any question, sir? Sir, in this statement, D equals to Daniel, parentheses are mandatory while creating an object. Yeah, mandatory, sir. Object creation we are not entered as of now, but it is a mandatory. We can talk later. Yeah, the parenthesis is an optional actually. Now let us make it this one. What is a good standard? Make it this one capital. Make it this one capital. Very good. This one is really good practice. Take this example. Creating class with the standards. With what exactly mean? Standards. We are following the standards. All right. While creating a class, we need to follow the naming convention to meet real-time standards. To meet what exactly? Real-time standards. Class name should starts with uppercase letter and remaining letters are in lowercase. Example, student. If name having the multiple words, then every nested word should be starts with uppercase letter. Should starts with what exactly? Uppercase letter. We are good to go. Whenever you are creating a class, if you want, you can provide documentation also, but that is still okay, accept, so not much important. Chopin sir, why red color? Keyword. Please make a note, class. What is my class name? Employee. And what is this one? DEF. Inside class, I'm going to create a method. I'm going to create what exactly? Method actually. And print of what exactly? Hello, my name is Daniel. Why no output, sir? Yeah, very good. The point is, why no output, First of all, you are not calling the method. To call the method, object creation is required. What is required? Object creation. So simple, we have created a class. Inside a class, we have created a method. You left actually. Then no output. What exactly mean? No output. Now the next step is object creation. What is the next step? Object creation. Till now, I'm sure you understand how to create a class. How to create what exactly? Class. Now here onwards, I will explain how to create an object. These are all things actually. Can I get a response from you? Good. Let me talk with online team. Meanwhile, let me drink water. Online team, how are you, sir? Are you following everybody? Are you guys following or not, sir? Please talk with me. Let me drink water. Babita, good. Very good. Nice response. Somebody said no. What happened, sir? Please wake up actually. Just I'm kidding. Understand the theory. In the above program, when we run the program, we will not get any output because we didn't call display method. We are not calling what exactly? Display method. Above program, employee represents a class which is created by programmer. So in the above program, employee, this is representing with the name of the class. And developer have created only one method as a display method. One method as what exactly? Display method. Today, let me reveal one small secret. Wherever method, if the method having self actually, method having what exactly? Self. That method name is called as a instance method. What method, sir? Instance method. Generally, instance method required one small syntax. That syntax is a self. If anyone is coming from Java programming background, self is something like a this keyword. What keyword? Exactly. This keyword actually. This keyword. But here, This is required. Regarding the self, we can talk later more and more. Method we can create by using def keyword. Method name, it's just like a function to perform what exactly? Operation. Actual task will be done by method, sir. Actual task will be done by what exactly? Method. Now I have a question. Employee is a class and display is a method. Think like string is a class, upper is a method. List is a class, append is a method. Set is a class, add is a method. Think like that actually. Whenever you are talking about the class contains methods. Class contains what exactly? Method. Back to the session. Hey Daniel, I just wanted to call this working method. What I need to do? D equals to Daniel. The whole line is called as a object creation. Chappan sir, object creation. Chappalandaru. Object. Here is the counter question. Why object creation? Later I will explain what is an object. I mean, generally I have one pattern. Directly I cannot attack what is an object. First of all, understand why you are creating an object. Understand why you are creating an object, then you will understand what is the purpose of object actually. Are you ready or not, sir? Right. Now, conclusion of the story, I wanted to tell what is the purpose of object creation. I'm going to tell actually. Creating an object. Now the first point. Why object creation required? Sir, not much important interview point, but important for your learning. Important for what exactly? Your learning. There are few points you should know very clearly. Then only the topic you can understand. The topic you will understand actually. Let us have a discussion. We are going to have a cool discussion actually. Get ready to understand this one. Now hold on. Understand this. I'm talking about why object creation actually. So generally, inside class, talk with me, sir. Inside class, we can create a variable. We can create a method. We can create what exactly? Method. It is okay. So as of now, let us take a variable. It's okay. And there is a variable a equals to 10. Cool. There is a variable, a equals to what exactly? 10. Tim, these variables or method also called as a, members of the class. Chappan sir. Members of the class. One more time. Members of the class. One more time. Members of the class. Somewhere I explained members of. చెప్పండి ఎవరో చెప్పారు మెంబర్ అనే వర్డ్ నేను ఒక చోట వాడాను డిడ్ యూ రిమెంబర్ ఐ హావ్ యూజ్డ్ సమ్వేర్ ద వర్డ్ ఈజ్ ఎ మెంబర్ యాక్చువల్ అలా మర్చిపోకూడదు సార్ members of the module. Members of what exactly? Module. Did you remember? All right. It's okay. Inside class, what we can do, members of a class. What is a member of class actually? A equals to 10. Here is the point actually. So generally, successfully, this one is your computer. Yeah, Daniel, this one is my computer. I have created a class. It's okay, cool. Inside class, I have created one variable. I have created what exactly? One variable. Team. Inside class, we have created a variable. Let me tell you, memory allocation is not done immediately. First point actual. Let me repeat again. Inside class, inside what exactly? Class. If you have created a variable, for that variable, memory allocation is not done immediately. Memory allocation is not done. Why memory allocation is required? If you wanted to access this variable, memory allocation is required. At what time memory allocation will be happen? During object creation. During what creation? Object creation. Conclusion of the story. If you create an object, then for all these variables, memory allocation is going to happen. What is going to happen, sir? Memory allocation is going to happen. Once memory is successfully allocated, you can call the variable. You can call what exactly? Variable. Right. For memory allocation, class members memory allocation, object creation is required. What is required, sir? Object creation is required. The moment whenever you are creating an object, then only all class members, I mean to say, all variables are assigning into what exactly, sir? Memory action. If you want, let me give one small general example. The general example will be, think like we have created a class, a variable actual, a variable. So this one is a box. Team, you know what actually? Memory is not allocated for this. If no memory allocation, I'm sorry, you cannot call this one actually. You cannot call this. Now, if you wanted to allocate the memory, what I need to do, you know, sir? Create an object. Create what exactly? Object. If object creation is available, memory allocation is done. Now, let me tell you. So think like my mother is carrying, I mean, when I was in a small baby, in my mother womb actually, in this earth, in my home, memory allocation is not happen. No separate bed actually. I was in my mother womb. Memory allocation is not done. But once my mother delivered, once my mother, what exactly, sir? What happened, you know, everything set right actually. Separate room, separate bed, these are all things actually. Memory allocation is happen. What happened? Memory allocation. Once memory allocation is happen, you can call actually. You can call. Hey Daniel, how are you actually? Are you with me or not, sir? Right. Hope you understand. Let me tell you. Simple. Very, very simple. Read the theory, you will understand. First 2 point, why object creation? Now, writing a class is not enough. We should know how to access the variables and methods. So we need to create an object. Yeah, this one is a discussion. Creating an object is a discussion actually. Once we created an object, we can access instance data, something like a variables and what exactly? Method. Now the first 2 point. First point, I'm talking about the object. Daniel, why should we create an object? Point number 1. As per requirement, we used to create a variables and methods in a class. General ga, whenever you are getting a requirement actually, as per the requirement, we are going to create a variables and what exactly, sir? Methods in a class. These variables and methods hold the data. Let us take a variable. Variable having the value, that is called as a data. When we create an object, chadunu sir, when we create an object for a class, then only, read that word, then only the data will be stored for what exactly? Data members of a class. Then only the data will be stored for what exactly? Data members of a class. This is also called as a memory allocation. What exactly? Memory allocation. Chappan sir, memory allocation, memory allocation, memory allocation. Definition number 1, object, definition number 1. Instance of a class is called as an object. Come on, read everyone. Instance of a class. One more time. Instance of a class. Daniel, what do you mean by instance? Instance means it's a mechanism to allocate enough memory space for the data members. Just now I covered, right? Best example, when you registered at Naresh IT, offline student, for you memory allocation is required. One seat is supposed to be allocated for you. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Instance is a mechanism. Instance is what exactly? Mechanism. What is the meaning of that one? Allocating enough memory space for the data members of a class. For the data members of what exactly? Class. Hope you understand. Chappan sir. First definition, instance of a class. You have to talk with me. First one, instance of a class. One more time. Instance of a class. It is called as a object. Now the second definition is grouped item. Chappan sir, grouped item is also called as an object. Also called as what exactly? Object. Hold on. I will prove this one actually. Let me prove this one. Class Daniel DEF working. Good. I have one small question. What is the name of the class? Daniel. How many methods? First one, working. Next one, teaching. Next one, eating. The power of object is, if you create a one object, if you create what exactly mean? One object, the beauty is, this object works like this object can store all method names. This object can store what exactly? How to prove, Daniel? Simple. D dot working. D dot Chappan sir, working. Next one, D dot teaching. Next one, D dot. Very good. What exactly? Eating. Right. I mean to say, go back if you want, you can just try to create one small diagram actually. Daniel successfully have created an object. What is object name, sir? D. What is object name actually? D. Inside this object name, there are three methods are stored successfully. What are those methods? What is the first method actually? Working. Chappan sir. Working. Next one? Teaching. The next one? Eating. See, seems to be single variable, but that variable can store group of names. That variable can store what exactly? Group of name. It is also called as a grouped item. What exactly? Grouped item. Previously, one student asked a question. Daniel, can I say sequence actually? No, we should not say. It is not like a sequence. It is not like what exactly? We should not say sequence actually. If you wanted to say sequence, there is a one more functionality we need to do. That is called as a iterator. What exactly mean? Iterator we need to apply. But anyway, you can ignore the discussion. Grouped item is a variable which stores more than one value. Which stores more than what exactly? One value. There are two definitions I covered. How many definitions? Two definitions. First one, instance of a class. Madam Chapali. Instance of a class. Second one, grouped item. Second one, grouped item. Now the third one will be real world entity are called as an object. Chappan sir, real world entity, real world. Now in this world, what are all everything is available that is called as an object. Water bottle is an object. Mobile is object. Laptop is object. Keyboard is object. Fan is object. Chair is object actually. In real world, everything is an object actually. Everything is what exactly, sir? Object. Are you getting or not, sir? Please make a note, right? Now, Daniel, there is an especially, let me talk about class. Let me talk about object. Whenever you're talking about the class, class is nothing but an idea. Class is nothing but what exactly? Idea. Once you have implemented an idea, implemented actually, then we'll get an object. We'll get what exactly, sir? Object actually. That's what you need to understand. I mean to say, from idea, what will get, sir? Object will get. This is something like a some object. Generally, this word you might hear, you might hear actually. This one is an object. These are all. Idea. Fan creation. What exactly, sir? Fan creation. It is implemented actually. Implemented. Then Osha fan. What fan actually? Osha fan. Whenever you are talking about existing fan, that is called as a object. When you're talking about the idea, that is called as what exactly? Class. Are you with me or not, sir? Next one. Laptop creation. Implemented actually. I mean to say created. Created. Then Dell laptop. Laptop. Next one. Water bottle creation. Initially there is no water bottle. I hope you already aware actually. There is no water bottle. But someone got an idea. So created actually. Then that is called as a, let us tell one water bottle name. Some ABC, sir. ABC water bottle actually. I'm sorry. Are you with me? You can take anything. Now the point is, can I ask a question? Idea is supposed to be implemented. Once it is implemented, what will get, object. This definition is very, very important and it is very easy. Many people, many definitions they can tell. Class is blueprint of object actually. Sir, easy definition. If anyone is asking, you can tell like, class is a model. Class is a idea. Class is what exactly? Idea. These are all good definitions. You can easy to understand. An object exists physically in this world, but class does not exist physically. Can I tell one small point? See, imagine before you are creating an idea, if anyone is asking, show me your idea, that is not existing physically, that is available in our brain. Idea cannot exist physically. But after implemented, you can show what exactly, sir? Osha fan. Object exists physically. What exists, sir? Object is. Whenever you're talking about the Dell laptop, you're talking about what exactly? Object. You're talking about what exactly? Object. Good. Important, sir. All right. Hope you understand clearly. More to the discussion. Yeah, this one is a syntax. Left hand side equals to right. Yeah, somebody asked a question, right? Daniel parentheses are mandatory. It's okay. Let me talk about these are all. This one is a syntax. Successfully I have created a class and successfully I have created what exactly? Method. Now, whenever you are creating an object, kindly ensure that you have to provide parentheses. You have to provide what exactly? Parentheses. Otherwise, no error. Otherwise, what exactly? You never get error also. So first of all, you never get error also. All right. Yeah, first of all, you never get error. Why? Because class is available, it will cross verify is that class is available or not. One more point. Can I ask a question? What is the name of the class? Daniel. Hold on. Let us take one by one actually. Object creation. Yeah, good. Don't forget the parenthesis. Forget what exactly? Parenthesis. Otherwise, no error. You never get any error also. That is the very important point you need to make a note actually. While creating an object, while what exactly mean? Creating an object, class name should be match. While you are calling the function name should be match. One more time. While calling the function name should be match. Same thing like that. While creating an object, class name should be match. What it's supposed to be match? While creating an object, class name should be match. Otherwise, we'll get error. Name error. What error, sir? Name error. Name error. Team, I have a question. Sorry. What is the class name? Daniel. But can I create object to the Prasad? No. First of all, Daniel is available. You can create object to the Daniel. But why you are calling? Why you are creating an object to what exactly? Prasad. We'll get an error, sir. We'll get what exactly error? What is that error? Name error. Please make a note on this. This one is still invalid actually. Can somebody tell why it is invalid? Simple. Straight to the point actually. By this time you should know these are all fundamental. Small points actually. Python having case sensitive nature. What nature? Case sensitive. It never compromises actual. Daniel, I'm sorry. A Python please execute means it will scold as actual, right? Python is case sensitive. Chapman sir, what is the running topic actually? Object oriented programming system. Please make a note actually. Left hand side equals to right hand side. EMP equals to employee. EMP equals to what exactly? Employee. Now let me tell you. Object creation syntax. Very important. In Java, in Python. In Python, I hope you already know D equals to Daniel. D equals to what exactly mean? Daniel. Straight to the point. But in Java, why I'm highlighting, hold on. Daniel, new, I'm sorry. New keyword is required, sir. What is required actually? New keyword is required. A kind of some, sorry, man. I'm extremely sorry. Hold on. Daniel, D equals to new Daniel. This one is object creation in Java. I mean to say, in Java, if you wanted to create an object, we need to use a new keyword. What keyword? But in Python programming language, no keyword actual. To create an object, follow the syntax. To create an object, follow what exactly? Syntax. Syntax actual. Please ensure that you have to understand this. Yeah, we are good to go. DEF, display. Now, you guys understand these are all discussion actually. Sir, how many methods I'm creating? 2 methods. What is the first one? Display. Next one, teaching. The moment whenever you are calling display method, so though you are calling the display method, this method will be triggered actually. Now, whenever you are calling teaching method, this method will be triggered actually. Please make a note. That calling is important. The flow, understand the flow. We can create object for a class. In the above program, EMP is what exactly, sir? Name of the object. And what is the employee actually? name of the class. And the whole line is a object creation. Talk with me. Object creation. This one is what exactly? Method calling. This one also method calling. Method calling. Above example displays instance method. To access instance method, we should create an object. So we are accessing instance method by using object name. By using what name actually? Object name. Object. In object oriented programming language, damn sure enter a question. The topic name is called as a constructor. What is the topic name? Minimum 20 minutes discussion. Minimum how long time actually? 20 minutes. Rishi sir, you're asking something right now. We are going to start actually. But before that, let us play with the till now what are all we done actually. What are all we done? Team, I will give a assignment. Please make a note. Assignment. Assignment actually. The assignment will be try to implement, create a variable. Create what exactly? A variable. Create a program by using three ways. By using what exactly? Three. First one is a procedure oriented. I hope you already know that. Next one is a function oriented. Talk with me. So what is the third one? Object oriented. First of all, create these are all. Later you will understand why you are creating actually. Are you ready? Let me create. First one, procedure oriented. Very simple, straight to the point. Procedure oriented. Create a variable. Yeah. A equals to 10 and print of A. Print of what exactly? A. Very good. Done actually. No explanation is required. Am I right? Chappan sir. Next one is a function oriented. Okay. Function oriented. Function creation required. Next one is a function calling required. Let us create a function. Function name is a kind of some Naresh. And instead of this one, create a variable. Now let us just have to print a variable. Very good. Call the function. That's it. Function oriented. Conclusion of the story. What are all examples we done till date? All examples try to implement it with object oriented programming. Try to implement it with what exactly? You will get a sound experience in whoops actually. Nothing is there. The whole this piece of the code, now you kept inside a function. Now where we need to keep actually inside of object oriented programming language? Inside, very good. Where exactly? Method. Let me show you that example. You will get an idea. Chudani, please focus on this. Now the third one will be object oriented approach. What approach? Object oriented approach. It's okay. I need your help, man. నాకు మీ హెల్ప్ కావాలి చెప్పండి క్లాస్ స్టూడెంట్ వెరీ గుడ్ డిఈఎఫ్ సమ్ డిస్ప్లే మెథడ్ చెప్పండి ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలి యాక్చువల్గా ఇక్కడ వెరీ గుడ్ ఏ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 10 ప్రింట్ ఆఫ్ దట్స్ ఇట్ ఓవర్ యాక్చువల్లీ now create an object student. Now s dot what exactly? Display. Wow, this one is object oriented approach. How can you say? To create example, you are using class, you are using method, you are using object creation, you are using method calling actual. Such a powerful example, you need to understand. Now I'm sure you already know these two lines of the code actually, but template matters. What matter? Template. Class template we are using actually. Team, are you getting? Yeah, good. We'll do one thing. One more example I will do actually. One more example we'll do. Requirement number 2. Use, three approaches actually. Create a string. Create what exactly? A string. And convert into uppercase. Convert into what exactly? Uppercase. Uppercase. Use three approaches. Use what exactly mean? Three approaches. Three in the sense I hope you know. Chappan sir? Yeah. Yeah. First one, let us use procedure oriented actually. Procedure oriented. Name equals to Daniel. Convert into uppercase. Chappan sir? Name dot upper. Yeah, same thing I wanted to execute in a function oriented. First one is a procedure oriented. Procedure what exactly? Oriented. మీరు ఇలా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి అన్ని ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఇలా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి ఐ మీన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఆల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ లైక్ దిస్ ప్రాక్టీస్ యాక్చువల్లీ యూ విల్ గెట్ అన్ ఐడియా నెక్స్ట్ వన్ చెప్పండి ఫంక్షన్ సార్ ఐ డోంట్ నో వాట్ హ్యాపెన్ యూ గైస్ ఆర్ లిటిల్ డల్ టుడే ఈరోజు హాలిడే లేదని ఫీల్ అవుతున్నారా ఫీల్ అయితే నేను ఫీల్ అవ్వాలి సార్ ఆర్ యూ గెటింగ్ మీరు కాదు def Naresh function. Now chapandi, talk with me. Name equals to Daniel. Take the same name of the variable everywhere. Now tell me, name dot upper. Sir, very good. You are able to understand. Now let us implement object oriented. What oriented? You got a nice idea. Are you with me or not, sir? Like this, all examples use flow control also will take one for loop actually. Then you will get a nice clarity actually. Are you with me or not, sir? If you are able to execute all examples like, what exactly? Object oriented, you will get a sound experience. Nice experience you will get actually. You will play with what is a class, what is a object, what is a method. These are all things actually. Third one is what exactly, man? Object oriented. What exactly? Object oriented. చెప్పండి సార్ క్లాస్ స్టూడెంట్ చెప్పాలి అందరూ డిఈఎఫ్ డిస్ప్లే మెథడ్ వాట్ మెథడ్ డిస్ప్లే మెథడ్ సెల్ఫ్ ఆర్ సెల్ఫిష్ మెన్ సార్ సెల్ఫ్ నాట్ సెల్ఫిష్ యాక్చువల్ నేమ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు డానియల్ now print of what exactly name dot upper name dot what exactly upper now I wanted to call display how to call do you think you will get output actually no how to get s equals to student next one s dot perfect perfect let me execute this example successfully you are able to execute all examples by using requirement is the same but you are playing with 3 functionalities wow no doubt in that now one more requirement once you understand this requirement you can close the discussion Daniel requirement number 3 create a list create what exactly list and get one by one value I hope you know that use 3 approaches use what exactly 3 approaches చెప్పండి సార్ ఫస్ట్ వన్ ప్రొసీజర్ ఓరియంటెడ్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ వన్ ప్రొసీజర్ ఓరియంటెడ్ ప్రొసీజర్ ఓరియంటెడ్ చెప్పండి values equals to 10 20 30 40 now for value in values now print of that's it we done actually procedure oriented we done next one is function oriented DEF Naresh now tell me చెప్పాలి అందరూ values equals to let me check your intelligence actually tell me the output very good man బాగా చెప్పారు actually 10 20 30 40 now for value in values print of value that's it successfully you done with function oriented do you think you will get output actually no now tell me very good whenever you are calling the Naresh think like what is output actually sir chapali very good whenever you are calling function name should be matched now the next one will be object oriented what oriented actually object oriented class student def display self now I need your help actually values equals to 10 20 30 40 for value in values now let us print value let us print what exactly value now you will get an output actually no s equals to student now s dot what exactly display ayyo what happened sir display what went wrong value oh sorry yeah sorry please don't spoil sir please yeah very good we got an output actually are you with me good so I'm sure you got really nice idea pretty sure you understand like that take any example try to implement with the 3 approaches actually you will get a sound experience actually now it's the right time Daniel output is the same why these 3 approaches actually are you with me or not sir output is the same we are printing 10 10 10 by using procedure oriented we are printing procedure oriented it is okay we are not using nowadays actually but function oriented and object oriented team whenever you are talking about the function imagine there is a project there is what exactly project hey Daniel for me security not a matter what is not a matter security not a matter but I need output actually I need what exactly output you can go for function oriented what oriented sir function oriented Daniel I'm going to create a project security matters for me what matter security matter then go for object oriented what oriented actually object oriented whenever you are applying object oriented inheritance, polymorphism, class, object. It is tightly coupled actually. More security. Breaking that security is too difficult. That's what you need to be understand. Sometimes whenever you are working in project, there are some functionality. Security not a matter for me, sir. I need output actually. I need what exactly? Output. Use function oriented approach. What approach, sir? Daniel, I'm implementing project. For me, first concern is the security. Later I can talk about the functionality. Use what exactly? Object oriented. Hope you understand, right? But రెండు ఐడియా ఉండాలి మీకు. రెండు ఐడియా ఉంటే I have a nice experience, man, in OOPS actually. All right, maybe we are good to go. Can I give a small recap actually? Recap, not end-to-end explanation. Till now, what are all things I have covered? First one, what is a class? I explained. First one is what exactly? What is a class? Class is a model for creating an object. Class is what exactly? Model for creating an object. Definition number 2, class is a specification. What exactly? Specification. Nothing but a idea, plan, theory of properties and actions of an object. Sir, gurtundali. You have to by heart the definition. Next definition. Object. What is the next one actually? Object. Regarding the object, 3 definitions we covered. First one is a instance of a class. Chappan sir. Instance of a class. Next one, grouped item. Grouped what exactly? Item. Third one, real world entity. What entity? Real world entity. Real world what exactly? Entity. You might wondering why I covered these 3 definitions. Sometimes even for me it happened. When I was going for one day when I went for Python interview, a Java person is taking Python interview. Almost definitions are same in Java, Python. Topic also same. Trust me. But only syntax matters. What matters actually? Syntax matter. That guy asked when I was attending as a junior, especially junior Python developer. Yeah. He asked what is the object actually? I told instance of a class. Though he is a Java developer, he is taking Python interview. He asked, do you have any other definition? And so I replied grouped item. I replied what exactly? Grouped item. Any other definition? What is the next one? Real world entity. Yeah, good. Thank God he didn't ask, tell me one more definition. If anyone is asking, tell me one more definition, then you need to counter question actually. First of all, do you know the definition actually or not actually? Because sir. I mean, first one, you need to reply instance of a class. Next one, grouped item. Next one, real world entity. Enough actually. 3 definitions are more than enough. If anyone is expecting 4th definition, counter question. Do you know object actually? First of all, you can ask actually. Nothing is wrong. Constructor. What is the next topic actually? Constructor. Let me talk online. Online team, please. Till now, any questions? Good catch. Kumar. Today, let me reveal the secret. Function is a different, method is a different. Both are not same. Both are what exactly? Not same. Function is a different, method is a different actually. Yeah. We are good to go. I'm explaining step by step and point by point. If you want another 5 minutes also, I can spend with the function and method topic actually. You should have a clarity. Please maintain the clarity actually. Let us create a function. Function name is a Naresh. Print of. This is function. This is what exactly? Hello. Yeah, this is function. Let us create a class. The class is a Daniel. Class is what exactly? Daniel actually. Now DEF teaching. Self. I have a small question for you. Get ready. Good evening. What exactly, sir? Good evening. I hope you know. Please, Chappan, don't sleep during session. What exactly, sir? During session. But next point. Daniel, I like sleeping actually. Am I right? Let me not write this role, not record actually. Good. Can somebody tell me what is the Naresh here actually? Function. Sir, what is the Naresh? Function. What is the Daniel? Class. What is the teaching? Method. I'm repeating again. Function is a different, method is a different, both are not same. First two point, please be clear actual. Both are not same. Both are what exactly? If both are same, this might be what exactly, no? There is a big, ఏమంటాం అట్లని ఎదురు బదురు కూర్చొని మాట్లాడుకున్నాం కదా. No. 1 minute, sir. I mean, there is a topic, one person can talk, another person respond. Debates actually. There are many debates regarding this functional method actually. It's a very simple. No much explanation is really required actually. What is this one, you know? This one is a function, this one is what exactly? Method. If both are same, why two topics? Simple. Counter question. If both are what exactly same, why two topics actually? If anyone is asking, can you please prove both are different actually? You can just try to do here actually, Naresh. Exactly like this. And now D equals to, Chapan sir, Daniel, create an object. Print of D dot what exactly? No, teaching. Don't provide the parenthesis. Now check the output actually. It will tell very clearly. Wow. Seriously, very nice. Sir, what it is telling, talk with me. Function. What is the name of the function? Straight to the point. Python itself is telling that one is the function. Now, the next one is what is method. What is the method name? Teaching. What is the method name? Teaching. The teaching is available inside of where exactly? Daniel. Now, though Python is telling Daniel, teaching is a method, how can you say this one is a function? This is a many misunderstanding terminology. Even in YouTube also, people are supposed to talk about that one is a method, but they're talking like a function actually. They're talking like what exactly? Many people are talking teaching is the function. Teaching is not a function, sir. Learn with right terminology. Learn with what exactly? Right terminology. Are you getting or not? One more point. Function you can call directly. Method you should call by using object. Method we can call by using what exactly? Object. Maintain clarity. Maintain clarity, right? Let us take this. Let us have a small discussion. The discussion will be, I can talk slowly by slowly. Sir, we will get an error. Self is mandatory. Why? Because you know it's supposed to bind with object. Best example, I hope you know Java actually. Self is like a this keyword. If you're not providing this actually, it cannot bind with an object. Siddiq sir, I have seen your question. First point. We can create function by using df keyword. What keyword actually? Df keyword. Next one. Function is independent. Chappan sir, independent. We can call, Chappan sir, we can call function directly. What exactly mean? Directly. Straight to the point. We can create a function by using df keyword. Function is independent. What do you mean by that? To call a function, you don't need to create an object actually. Wrong terminology. What terminology? Wrong terminology. Function is what exactly? Independent. You can call directly. We can call function directly. Let me talk about the method. Chappan sir, let me talk about what exactly? Method. Take the same example. Now I wanted to hear from your sweet voice actually. Daniel. D dot what exactly? Teaching. Yeah. First point. We can create a method by using, Chappan sir, by using df keyword. What keyword? Same keyword, df. Def is a keyword. By using that we can create a function. The same keyword we are using what exactly? Method also. Next one. Sir, e point ekkada evarana cheptara actually ga? E point, can somebody tell me? Method is, method is depend on class. Depend on what exactly? Class. Or else you can also call as an object. You can also call as what exactly? Object, right? We cannot call method directly like a function. How we call actually? Are you with me or not, sir? We can call method by using, Chappan sir, object name. Much clarity. Can I tell these points you cannot get from ChatGPT, you cannot get from Google actually. Very, very important point. What is the difference between function and a method? Means maintain clarity. Function, independent, you can call directly. Method, you cannot call directly. To call that method, we need to create an object. We need to create what exactly? Object. Nice examples. We have to do practice actually. Yeah, yes, boss. Self also needed. Shafina ma'am is telling, "Arey Daniel, what about self actually?" Ma'am, one small point. Not only Shafina ma'am, self I made it like a separate topic. I mean, we can talk, we can discuss more and more here actually. We can discuss more and more here. I mean, that's what I'm not putting light actually. Okay. Okay. Go back. ఏంటి సార్ కన్స్ట్రక్టర్ స్టార్ట్ చేయబుద్ధి కావట్లేదంటే లెట్ స్టార్ట్ దిస్ ఐ సపోజ్ టు స్టార్ట్ బిఫోర్ 10 minutes actually, but here and there other topics are moving on. Let me just try to take a continue another 5 minutes. Till now, are you clear or not? Are you clear? Good. Let's continue. First point. Constructor is a special kind of method. Constructor is a special method. What exactly, sir? Special method. It's a kind of some special method actually. Point. In Python, def is a keyword. Def is what exactly? Keyword. By using the def keyword, you can create a 3 things actually. You can create a how many things, man? 3 things. Team. We can create a function. Chapani, we can just know a word actually. We can create a function. Very good. Second one. Yeah, we can create a very good. We can create a method. What is the third point? You know, we can create a constructor. We can create what exactly? Constructor. That's what you need to get a clear picture. Daniel, I will tell you how to create a constructor. But understand, in Python, def is a keyword. Def is what exactly? Keyword. By using def keyword, 3 things you can create. You are eligible actually. First one, you can create a function. Possible. Second one, you are eligible to create a method. Yes, absolutely valid. Third one, Daniel, I wanted to create a constructor. Use def keyword. What keyword actually? Def keyword. Are you getting everyone? Good. Read everyone. Constructor is a special kind of method. Special kind of what exactly? Method. Now let us read actually. Constructor is a special kind of method, right? We can create a constructor. We can create a constructor by using def keyword. What keywords are? Def keyword. But this I have given explanation. I can keep the same actually. All right. Let us stop, sir. We'll continue tomorrow. Don't miss tomorrow's session. Very, very important. Can I give an idea? Tomorrow we are going to close the. Oops. Tomorrow is Friday. Tomorrow is what exactly? Friday. Tomorrow, Friday. Sir, the good news is Monday we are going to start the data analysis. Monday we are going to start what exactly? Data analysis. Saturday we have a session. I know your counter question actually. Daniel, you are not talking about Saturday. We have a session. I can update you on Friday actually. Tomorrow topic. Tomorrow topic is whoops and package also pending, right? Package pending lo undi kada. Don't miss tomorrow session. Every day I will say same thing, sir. All right. During interview, I will cover actually. During interview, I will cover exception handling. I know, sir. Trust me, being a real-time employee, what is required, I know very well. I will cover. I never skip anything. We are good to go. Please follow the running notes, and if you follow our material actually, more than enough. You no need to prepare any other stuff actually. Oh, bacha lesson, sir. Kindly please help me. I need to upload. I hope. Oops, I already uploaded. I guess actually, running notes I need to upload. I guess. Kada? Anything is pending? Upload cheyaleda? Yeah. Tomorrow I will spend minimum 5 minutes and I will talk with everyone how the practice is going on. Get ready to answer, sir. I will ask you to stand and reply actually. Prepare for that. Come for tomorrow session. First point. Okay. Session current రేపు. ఈడు అడుగుతున్నాడు అని భయపడి మానేయద్దు. We are good to go. రండి సార్ ప్లీజ్. Fine, sir. Thank you. We done for today's session. Madam, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Please take care. Knock the door. Knock, knock, not at sure.